Healthy plants start with healthy soil. But not all soil is the same, and different plants require different conditions to thrive. Whether you're growing lush vegetables, vibrant flowers, or sturdy houseplants, building the perfect soil is the key to success. The foundation of good soil is a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, each playing a crucial role in drainage, aeration, and moisture retention. But soil alone isn't enough. To create the ideal environment, you'll need to enrich it with organic matter like compost, aged manure, or worm castings. These natural additives improve soil structure, increase nutrient availability, and encourage beneficial microorganisms that help plants grow stronger. Drainage is another essential factor. Some plants, like succulents and cacti, need fast-draining, sandy soil to prevent root rot, while moisture-loving plants, like ferns and hydrangeas, thrive in loamy, moisture-retentive soil. To adjust drainage, simply mix in perlite or sand for better aeration or add peat moss and coconut coir to retain moisture. pH levels also matter. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH range of 6.0 to 7.0, but some, like blueberries and azaleas, require more acidic conditions. You can test your soil using a simple pH kit and adjust it by adding lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower it. And let's not forget nutrients. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium strengthens stems and flowers. Using a well-balanced fertilizer, or better yet, natural amendments like bone meal, fish emulsion, and wood ash, ensures your plants get everything they need to flourish. By understanding your plant's specific needs and making small adjustments to your soil, you can create the perfect growing conditions for any plant, indoors or out. So get your hands dirty, start building nutrient-rich soil, and watch your plants thrive like never before.